So, you guys are probably wondering how I just solved that Rubik's Cube so fast. Well, if you're having trouble with the other videos on YouTube, I'm sure that my tutorial will help you a lot more. I've been through many video tutorials and have had trouble with all of them, and this seems to be the only method that ever worked on my first try. So, let's have a go. First, I will teach you some basic notation, but I won't be posting things on the screen like F2, R2, stuff like that. I'm just going to tell you. Okay. And this solve of the Rubik's Cube, white will always be on bottom, yellow will always be on top. So, bottom, top, front, right, left, back. So, it's basically all you have to know, otherwise I'll be telling you what you have to solve. So, yes, basically it. So, please go to the next part of my tutorial, which will be coming up in 1 second. So, first I'm going to scramble my cube. You guys probably already have a scrambled cube, so let me just get this out of the way real fast. Okay, good enough. Now, the first part, and what you're going to do, is you're going to have yellow on the top, and then white, 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 white. So, let me show you what that'll look like. This is probably one of the only steps where there won't be like a algorithm or a method on how to get it. So, it's basically just going to look like this. Let me get that last piece in there. So, like that. So, this one corner piece right there doesn't really matter. But, it's going to be yellow, white, 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 white. And, by the way, that is the only step where there's not going to be like an algorithm. So, once you get that part, you'll be ready for the next step. Okay, the next step in solving the cube is getting the white cross on the bottom with the even edges. So, what we're going to do is for every bottom part of each white cube at the top, so this cube, this cube, this cube, and this cube, will be matching and then turning twice. So, I'll start back. Green is already matched with green, but just let you see at the beginning. So we'll go to this part. Orange needs to be matched with orange, so you go over, match the orange with the orange center, then you turn that face, front side, twice. Now it doesn't matter which way you turn it. Go to the next side. There's the white, there's the red, match the red with the red, turn it twice. Next side, blue's already matched, turn it twice. Next side, green, match with green, turn it twice. Now you have a cross on the bottom, and each center pieces will be matched. Just like that. Now, in this step, you will be filling out the white, so this entire bottom face will be completed, and this first layer will be